March brings the traditional season of spring break, but it also brings a dramatic surge in law enforcement activity. Agencies across Texas implement a zero-tolerance approach, utilizing saturation patrols in coastal regions and urban hubs to target intoxication offenses. This aggressive scrutiny directly contributes to a spike in statewide DWI arrests. A key element of spring break enforcement is the no-refusal policy. During these periods, magistrates are on standby to rapidly issue warrants for blood draws if a driver refuses a voluntary breath test. This makes it critical to scrutinize the legality of the warrant and the integrity of the blood collection procedure. Consequences are amplified by aggravating factors. Having a passenger under age 15 automatically elevates a DWI to a state jail felony, carrying potential prison time and a CPS investigation. Furthermore, these risks extend to the water. Boating while intoxicated is treated with similar severity to a DWI under Texas law. The hours following an arrest are critical. You have only 15 days from the date of arrest to request an ALR hearing to challenge your license suspension. A specialized attorney will scrutinize every step, from the legality of the initial stop to the accuracy of field sobriety and chemical tests. For out-of-town visitors, a Texas-based attorney can minimize travel and help prevent reciprocal license suspensions in your home state. Immediate legal action is essential to protecting your constitutional rights and your future. If you're facing a spring break arrest, contact our specialized defense team today.